So here's how my bed looks without the mattress topper. And here it is 2 days later underneath all of our cushions. The only difference between them is this LUCID mattress topper here. So let's get open. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll put it on my bed and I'll give you my thoughts. Now we're going to be very careful cutting into this with a knife so we don't catch the material. In fact, you probably don't want to use a knife if you're not good with one already. And be especially careful cutting down the metal. It comes rolled up in this box here, as you can see. Now to open it up, they do provide us with this opening tool here, but be careful, there is a sharp blade on the inside. Simply find an edge to attach it around the plastic like that, and pull gently across to release the pressure like that. And then you can start to unfold it. And now I'll put it on my bed and open it up right here and remove all the plastic, and then take off this paper layer here. And get rid of that. Now we can unfold the topper, and we're going to have to let this sit for 48 hours for it to take its shape and be ready for use. And right now you can see it's really flat, and it's supposed to expand out to this size, so this is going to take some time. So I'm going to let it sit like this on the bed for now, and then we'll take a look at it later. So before the end of the day, you can see how it's pretty much taken its normal shape back on already. It's got a lot of squish to it, so I think this is going to be really comfy to sleep on. And it smells really good too. It's definitely got that lavender scent to it, so we'll see how interesting that is to fall asleep to. And this is what it looks like outside of our bed sheets. And here it is 2 days later, and fits easily inside our sheets. After about a week or so on this bed, I think I should really let you know that I really do love this mattress pad on here. It's so comfortable, and it's soft and supportive, so honestly, I'm telling you that after just about a week or so of being in it, my lower back has been feeling so much better when I wake up in the morning. Not as tight, not as much pain down there, and I'm able to just roll out of bed easier. So I really do like this mattress topper. But if you're like me and you're trying to take care of yourself, this could help you as well.